Okay, so we're going to look at the following example. We want to find the probabilities indicated, where, as always, z denotes a standard normal random variable. Okay, so for the first time, we're going to use Excel to find probabilities for the standard normal random variable. So our very first one, and here's the important thing, is Excel always gives us the probabilities for z values that are less than whatever we stick in. So fortunately, example 4 is asking for the probability that z is less than 1.48. So what we're going to do is put this into Excel, and we can use any cell we want. It doesn't matter, but we're going to use the following command: equal norm.s.dist. This is telling it to use the standard normal distribution. And we're going to put in that z value we just had, 1.48. And you'll notice that it sort of pops up down here telling us what we need to put in. And for cumulative, we want to put true. And we get 0.930563. This is the answer to that problem. The probability that z is less than 1.48 is 0.930563. All right, so let's do the same thing for our second one. We're going to hit equal norm.s.dist. We're going to put in the negative 0.25 that it asked for in the second one, and the word true, and it tells us that probability is 0.401294. And we can easily do the homework as long as it's a less than and report these probabilities that we just got.